Okay. What came today is my line cord, which is the wax thing, and it also has like one of those I put in there. Then my sling bow, if I can grab. Oh God, it's so hard to grab. And it also comes with a thing right there for the paracord thing for the what you call it. It's actually pretty. It's actually will fit me nice. I would recommend wearing gloves, but yeah. It also comes with. This is so freaking hard to do. Oh my God, I hate that. Sling shot ammo, which dear God is the heaviest thing in this whole thing. Do not open. And then, oh God, I can't get this. Oh crap, I can get this out. Come on. It was in there, and I can't get it out. Oh, wait, yeah, I can. No, I can't. Anyway, the arrow things for it, which is nice. So yeah, that's what came today. I got more stuff coming. So yeah, there's the thing that says slingshot, sling bow, blah blah blah. Anyway, peace.